Here we have the Cobra Class 26 industrial leather sewing machine, affectionately named Brown Betty, arriving at her new home. The leather machine company did a great job of packaging her up. 2,559 miles from California to North Carolina without a scratch. Here we go, getting everything off the pallet and into the house. This is the machine head. It weighs about 80 pounds. It's on a furniture dolly from Harbor Freight, the best $12 I've ever spent. It put the machine at the perfect height to slide it off the pallet and then slide it over the door threshold. Next was the machine stand. I attached the casters in the driveway and easily rolled it into the house. When I placed the order, I was concerned about how I would get her from the driveway into the house by myself, but with a bit of planning and ingenuity, all went smooth as butter. Here's Brown Betty all assembled. Lifting the head up to the tabletop was the most difficult part. It was all this old man could do to get it up there. Here we are christening Betty. We're pulling off the plastic from the nameplate. It's like smashing a bottle of champagne on the hull of a ship. Here are a few views of Betty after the flat tabletop and edge guide were installed. I haven't shown any of the actual assembly. Instead, I'm just going to suggest you watch Steve Van Plews' video playlist on the Cobra Class 26. He does a fantastic job of showing all the details of assembly. I'll put a link in the description below. Notice here we have the edge guide installed. I added a Govee LED light under the cylinder arm to light up the foot pedals at night. We've also added the flat top table to the cylinder arm. You also notice I did a do-it-yourself foot pedal for engaging the reverse lever, and I'm going to do a video at some point show you how I did that. I haven't had a lot of experience with her yet, but so far I could not be more pleased. She sews great, and I expect she'll be a fixture in my shop for many years to come. Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like and subscribe to help me grow the channel. I'd greatly appreciate it.